Breaking news this afternoon, Governor Mike Parson says phase 1 of his Show Me Recovery plan will be extended through June 15th. The initial reopening phase, which began May 4th, was set to expire Sunday. Parson says the state hasn't taken a step back. He just wants to make sure the state is prepared for phase 2. Kansas City, Missouri is making some big changes in its coronavirus rules. Starting Sunday, it's relaxing them. Michael Mahoney has more on what's changing.
This will give restaurants, bars, all sorts of Kansas City businesses more room to operate, literally.
With this order, and actually with my last, anything in Kansas City can be open.
Starting Sunday, the capacity limit goes to 50%. There will be no limits on crowd sizes other than building codes, and restaurant tables will be now 6 feet apart, not 10.
We'll ask everyone to follow social distancing guidelines. We'll ask everyone when they are going into a public institution, some business, the grocery store, to wear a mask.
In the last 2 weeks before the stay-at-home order was lifted, 240 new cases in the city. Since May 15th, 237. And there's been more testing.
What you probably see then in that situation is that we are in a position where we can responsibly reopen more establishments, more businesses in Kansas City.
The mayor thinks the city's restrictions, tighter and longer than the rest of the metro, have worked so far.
We're not past COVID. I think what we have to kind of see now is that we're coexisting with COVID.
Michael Mahoney, KMBC 9 News.
Missouri is reporting 181 new cases of COVID-19 today. That's down 20 cases from the day before. Kansas is only providing new numbers Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Missouri is reporting 7.3% of COVID-19 tests have come back positive since the beginning of the pandemic. The World Health Organization wants that percentage to be at or below 10% to ensure adequate testing. In Kansas, that percentage is 6.4%, and that is down from 12% 2 weeks ago. CVS is opening drive-through testing sites at its pharmacies around Missouri. Stores in Blue Springs, Independence, Kansas City, Platte City, and Raymar have been chosen. The sites will use self-swab tests provided by the CDC. You can see a full list of all the metro locations on KMBC.com. Meanwhile, Johnson County, Kansas is offering more options to get tested. On Friday, it's offering free drive-through testing for any resident with or without symptoms. That's tomorrow at the College Boulevard Activity Center in Olathe from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. People are asked to bring a driver's license, but it is not required. New this afternoon, we know another 2.1 million Americans filed for unemployment benefits last week. As of today, more than 40 million Americans have filed for first-time unemployment since the U.S. economy shut down for the pandemic. That's nearly 1 in 4 Americans filing since March. The pandemic is forcing changes to a health food business. Tealoff will close its Country Club Plaza location. The lease was set to expire this summer, and it doesn't have the funds to reopen or relocate. The Plaza location opened in 2015. The company's Park Place and State Line Road locations are still open. Renters in Kansas City want Jackson County's chief judge to stop evictions for the next 6 months.
Stop evictions or people die!
The group KC tenants held a protest in the rain this morning outside the Jackson County Courthouse. The tenants want Jackson County's chief judge to extend an eviction moratorium by 6 months. Meanwhile, the head of a landlords group in Kansas City says tenants have government help and social service agencies offering help to pay that rent.
Almost 40 million people are unemployed due to no fault of their own. And policymakers are the ones who should be stepping in.
If we extend that another 6 months, we could literally have these housing providers going 9, 10, 12 months without receiving any income on their properties.
Jackson County Chief Judge David Byrne released a statement saying the court has an obligation to all parties in these cases, tenants and landlords alike, to enforce current law through procedures currently in effect. You can read more of his statement on KMBC.com.